my name is Azba Sheikh and I am from grade 4E. So today we are going to do a cool experiment which is balloon powered water dispenser. So let's start. So for the experiment we need a bottle of water, we need a cup, we need a bottle with a hole, a balloon and a straw. So as you can see the bottle with the hole, yeah. Okay, now let's start. So first we need the bottle with the hole, add water, or we can insert the straw first. Okay, now we'll add water. Let's just hold the tip of the straw so the water won't spill. Now we'll keep a cup. Okay, now we'll fill up the balloon with air. Okay, now we'll just roll it, twist it, and we are going to stretch it and keep it at the lid of the water like that. Okay. Now we are going to release the air from inside. Okay, so just make sure that you add a little bit of air and release it slowly. Oh, look at that, water is coming out. Wow, we made a homemade dispenser. So you guys are thinking how we made this, how the water came from the straw. So when we release the water from the air from the balloon, we release the air pressure, and the air pressure forced the water, and the water also forced, and it got stuck in that straw and just came down in the cup. So thank you, bye.